How you doing? Mike Bresci here at Bobcat at Palm Beach. Good to see you all again. It's been a while since we shot a video. I want to talk about the T76 today, but first I want to talk about the 753. My guy Cully was out testing in the dirt pile, and it got me to thinking. We got a 1994 753 with the outer mirror roll. This thing's got 13,000 hours. We've been doing this for 63 years. Show me a Kubota that's running since 1994 and a skid steer. Oh, that's right, you can't, they weren't here. Show me a Cat. Oh, they weren't doing it. For 63 years, we've been building compact equipment. It's the only thing we do. So have a great day. If you like this, give us a thumbs up. We build machines to last.